Why aren't more people talking about passive income? Time to change that. Join Money Smart Basics as we test 3 passive income ideas that could start earning us money today in 2025. Don't miss out. Let's get rich together. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some exciting opportunities for passive income that you can start right now in 2025. That's right, you don't have to wait for some distant future to start building wealth while you sleep. We're talking about strategies that can generate consistent cash flow without you needing to quit your day job. If you're looking to make money while you sleep, stay tuned because these ideas are perfect for you. Whether you're just starting out or you're already on your financial journey, these passive income streams can add serious fuel to your financial goals. Now, let's jump right into our first passive income idea, real estate crowdfunding. You know, I love real estate, but it can feel daunting to jump in, especially if you're thinking about traditional routes. That's where real estate crowdfunding comes in. It's like dipping your toes into the real estate market without needing a massive down payment or becoming a landlord. Imagine owning a tiny piece of a skyscraper or an apartment complex, but without the headaches of managing tenants or dealing with repairs. That's the beauty of crowdfunding. You're essentially pooling your money with other investors to purchase shares of large-scale real estate projects. Think of it like Kickstarter, but for buildings. Platforms like Fundrise or CrowdStreet connect you with developers who are looking for funding. You browse through projects, assess their potential, and invest an amount you're comfortable with. It's a hands-off way to participate in the real estate market, and it's becoming increasingly popular. One of the biggest advantages of real estate crowdfunding is the low barrier to entry. Unlike buying a rental property, which can require a significant down payment and closing costs, you can get started in crowdfunding with as little as a few $100s. This makes it accessible to a wider range of investors, especially those who are just starting out. Another benefit is the potential for passive income. As a shareholder in these real estate projects, you'll receive a portion of the rental income generated by the property. This income is typically distributed on a quarterly or annual basis, providing you with a steady stream of cash flow. Of course, like any investment, real estate crowdfunding comes with risks. The real estate market can be cyclical, and there's always the possibility that a project could underperform. It's important to do your research, diversify your investments across multiple projects, and only invest what you can afford to lose. To get started with real estate crowdfunding, you'll need to choose a reputable platform. There are a number of platforms available, each with its own fees, investment minimums, and project offerings. Do your homework, compare platforms, and read reviews before making a decision. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to create an account and complete an investor accreditation questionnaire. This is a standard requirement for most real estate crowdfunding platforms and helps ensure that you meet the financial requirements to invest. With your account set up, you can start browsing through available projects. Each project will have a detailed description, financial projections, and information about the developer. Take your time, review the materials carefully, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Real estate crowdfunding can be a great way to diversify your portfolio, generate passive income, and participate in the real estate market without the hassle of traditional ownership. It's not without its risks, but with careful research and due diligence, it can be a valuable addition to your investment strategy. Now let's move on to our second passive income idea, dividend investing. This is a classic strategy for building wealth over the long term, and it's surprisingly simple to get started. Essentially, dividend investing involves buying shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. Those profits are called dividends. Think of it like this. You're essentially becoming a part owner in a company and sharing in its success. As the company grows and earns more money, you get to share in the rewards through dividend payments. It's a beautiful cycle of passive income generation. One of the key advantages of dividend investing is the potential for compounding returns. When you reinvest your dividends, you're essentially buying more shares of the company, which in turn generates more dividends. Over time, this compounding effect can snowball your returns, turning a small initial investment into a significant nest egg. Another benefit of dividend investing is the potential for lower volatility compared to growth stocks. Dividend-paying companies tend to be more established and have a track record of profitability. This makes them generally less susceptible to wild price swings, providing a more stable investment experience. Of course, not all dividend stocks are created equal. It's important to choose companies with a strong history of dividend payments, a healthy financial position, and a sustainable business model. Look for companies with a low payout ratio, which indicates that they have ample room to continue paying and even increasing their dividends in the future. To get started with dividend investing, you can either open a brokerage account and buy individual stocks, or invest in dividend-focused ETFs. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like baskets of stocks that track a specific index or sector. Dividend ETFs, for example, invest in a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying companies, providing instant diversification. When choosing individual dividend stocks, it's essential to do your research. Look at the company's dividend history, payout ratio, earnings growth, and debt levels. Consider factors such as the company's competitive landscape, industry trends, and management team. Don't be afraid to start small. You can begin by investing in just one or two dividend-paying companies and gradually build your portfolio over time. As your income grows, you can increase your contributions and expand your holdings. Dividend investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about patiently building wealth over the long term by investing in quality companies that pay you to own them. With a disciplined approach and a focus on long-term growth, dividend investing can be a powerful engine for passive income generation. Finally, let's explore our third passive income idea, peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. This innovative approach to investing allows you to become the bank, lending money directly to borrowers and earning interest on your loans. It's like cutting out the middleman and reaping the rewards of traditional lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors, facilitating the entire lending process. Borrowers apply for loans for various purposes, such as debt consolidation, home improvement, or small business loans. Investors, on the other hand, browse through loan listings, choose which loans to fund, and earn interest payments as borrowers repay their loans. One of the main attractions of P2P lending is the potential for higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. Because you're lending directly to borrowers, you can often earn higher interest rates, sometimes even double-digit returns depending on the risk profile of the loans you choose. Another advantage is the ability to diversify your investments across multiple loans. Most P2P platforms allow you to invest in fractions of loans, meaning you can spread your risk across a wide range of borrowers and loan types. This diversification helps mitigate the impact of any single loan default. However, it's crucial to remember that P2P lending is not without its risks. As with any form of lending, there's always the possibility that borrowers may default on their loans. This is why it's essential to carefully assess the creditworthiness of borrowers before investing. Most P2P platforms provide detailed information about borrowers, including their credit scores, debt-to-income ratios, and loan histories. You can use this information to make informed investment decisions and choose loans that align with your risk tolerance. To get started with P2P lending, you'll need to create an account on a reputable platform like Lending Club or Prosper. Once you've completed the registration process, you can browse through available loans and choose which ones to fund. You can set your investment criteria, such as loan term, interest rate, and borrower credit score, to narrow your search and find loans that meet your specific requirements. As with any investment, it's crucial to start small and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the platform and the risks involved. Consider diversifying your investments across multiple loans and loan grades to spread your risk and potentially enhance your returns. Peer-to-peer lending can be a valuable addition to your passive income portfolio, offering the potential for higher returns and greater control over your investments. However, it's essential to approach it with caution, conduct thorough research, and carefully assess the risks before investing your hard-earned money. And there you have it. 3 passive income ideas you can start today in 2025. Whether you're drawn to the stability of real estate, the potential of dividend stocks, or the innovation of peer-to-peer lending, there's a passive income stream out there for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort. But by taking action today and exploring these passive income opportunities, you can set yourself up for a brighter financial future. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited to try. See you in the next video. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Want to boost your bank account effortlessly? Let's dive in. Tip 1. Invest in dividend stocks for regular payouts. Recap: dividend stocks, rental properties, and digital products. Earn effortlessly with these passive income streams. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.